News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
At Healthcare Partners Medical Group, our mission is to provide the highest quality of healthcare to each and every patient. With 5 locations in Pahrump, we are local doctors you know and trust. We want to thank you for choosing us. Quality care starts here.
The report, Restoring Shared Prosperity, Strategies to Cut Poverty and Expand Economic Growth, establishes the baseline for Half in 10's goal of cutting poverty in half in 10 years and starts the clock on meeting the target nationally and in every state across the country, including Nevada, where the poverty rate stands at 14.9% compared to the 15.1% national rate, and the 2010 unemployment rate was 14.9%. The report also outlines a path for policymakers to reverse these troubling trends and rebuild the middle class. The baseline incorporates a set of indicators that measure how well the nation is doing in creating good jobs, strengthening families, and promoting economic security. The report ranks states according to these indicators, and the accompanying website emphasizes the state's bottom ranking data to focus attention on areas for improvement. Nevada's bottom indicators were their high school graduation rate, the unemployment rate, and the uninsured rate. In Nevada, the percentage of employees with paid sick leave is 53% compared to the 58% national average. Our state's high school graduation rate is 51.3% compared to the 74.7% national average. The percentage of young adults ages 25 to 34 with an associate's degree or higher is 27.4% compared to the 37.5% national average. The wage gap between male and female workers in Nevada is 82.8 cents earned by a woman for every dollar earned by a man doing the same job, as compared to the 78.5 cents on the dollar for the national rate. The percentage of the state's population living without health insurance is 22.6% compared to the 16.3% national rate. The number of births by teenagers 53.5 births per 1,000 compared to the 41.5 births per 1,000 at the national level. The number of children living in foster care in the state of Nevada, 4,806. The percentage of households that are struggling with hunger, food insecurity rate is 14.7% compared to the 14.5% national rate. The percentage of unemployed workers receiving unemployment insurance, 63.1% compared to the 66.1% national rate. And the percentage of unbanked people without checking or savings account, 6.9% compared to the 7.7% national rate. It's important to note that no state ranks in the bottom or top 5 in all indicators, which means that every state has some areas to improve in, providing pathways out of poverty and greater opportunity for all. The report pairs familiar data on the unemployment crisis with comprehensive information on job quality. It tracks data on the number of workers without paid sick leave, retirement benefits, and family supporting wages to give more complete picture of the working poor and workers barely hanging on to the bottom rungs of the middle class. The report also contains new analysis about the effect of multiple incomes on family poverty, highlighting a unique perspective by focusing on the number of earners rather than married versus single status. Overall, the report connects information on the number of people struggling to move out of poverty with levers to increase opportunities such as more good jobs, access to financial institutions to save for the future, and affordable housing, to name a few. Going forward, the campaign will compare next year's data to this year's baseline, tracking our progress in restoring shared prosperity and rebuilding the middle class. For more information, you can go to halfin10.com. I'm Deanna O'Donnell for News 46.